Lady. Not all the dogs like to fetch. Not even all purebred Goldens like to fetch. But this is Lady, and she loves to fetch. She knows which pine cone to find, and she brings back the same pine cone every time. We're actually going to try her on bird hunting. She has a very, very soft mouth, and she's not afraid to bring back ducks either. We've tried her on some frozen ones, and she does really well if she knows what we're doing. She's like, I've had enough. I'm tired now. She's already been fetching for about 10 minutes before we start the video. Alright, that's Lady. And there's Rainy. And here's Emma. Huh, Emma? Emma. Crazy ears. There's Cricket. And Lady. Emma. Emma doesn't have much of a coat right now because she just had a litter of puppies. Oh, and those are funny ears. Why are you having your ears all funny? There's Emma. Oh, she looks like her mother. Oh my goodness. And there's Rainy just sitting patiently. And there's Lady. Rainy. Hi, baby. And over there is Emma. Emma and Cricket hiding in the brush.